In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Mailchimp. Whether you want to gather feedback, conduct research, or just engage with your audience, creating a survey is an efficient way to do so. So let's dive into it and make the process as simple as possible. First, we begin by navigating to Mailchimp. If you aren't familiar with Mailchimp, it's a popular platform that not only helps with email marketing, but also offers a variety of tools to manage and interact with your audience. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it's always helpful to know where everything is before getting started. Next, we'll move to the Audience tab. This section is crucial because it's where you manage all your contacts. It's essentially the database for everyone you might be reaching out to or trying to learn more about through your survey. Under this tab, you'll notice a subsection called Surveys. Go ahead and click on Surveys. Here's where the magic happens. Now you're on the survey page. You'll want to create a new survey to collect responses. Look for the option that says Create New Survey and click on it. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to input a survey name. This name will help you keep track of your surveys, so choose something clear and relevant to your purpose. Additionally, you'll select the audience you want to target with your survey. It's important to choose the right audience to ensure that your survey leads to actionable insights. After entering the survey name and selecting your audience, click Begin. And just like that, you're ready to start crafting your survey questions. At this point, think about what information is most valuable to you or your business. Do you want to know the satisfaction level of your latest product? Or are you trying to gauge interest in a new idea? Be specific and concise in your questions to get the most accurate responses. One helpful tip is to preview your survey as you build it. This will allow you to see how your audience will view it and make any necessary adjustments. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for them to complete, so stay away from overly complicated questions or jargon. Once you're satisfied with your survey, you can save and distribute it. Mailchimp offers various ways to share your survey, be it through email or sharing links on social media platforms, whatever suits your audience best. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a survey using Mailchimp. I hope you find this guide helpful and easy to follow. Surveys are a fantastic tool for gaining insights and enhancing engagement, so take advantage of this Mailchimp feature. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.